And you'll see that we've got some really nice movement here. Now, after it creates this video here, it sends it down to this Audio custom node, which adds sound to it based on what it sees in the video. And it puts the result here, and you can preview the audio by mousing over. In this case, it just kind of put a random music soundtrack. Like I say, it's not always 100% perfect, and when the scene is just someone sitting there, it's not very specific about what kind of sounds should be going on.
If you subscribe now, I will not look for you.